improvement.
We are once again highlighting a great local company. They are known as Thrush and Son, and joining us in studio from their team, our good friend Corey here once again to talk about all things related to Thrush and Son. I am good, my man.
Good.
It is a good pleasure to see you again. We just like to chill here, right?
Yeah, we do.
Before we came on set today, we were chit-chatting. Of course, we want to make sure we talk about your company though today.
Yes.
Of course, a lot of community involvement. I know you guys are a big part of that, part of Alive with the Dayton Flyers, lots of great local nonprofits.
Yes.
But talk to me about the business here for a moment. What is the mission of Thrush and Son as a group?
Thrush and Son, I like to say it, family owned and operated since 1960. I mean, 64 years. In an industry where 94% of roofing contractors are out of business by year 7. So, that says a lot right there. That's longevity. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, and more, that's what we cover.
Of course, and just to clarify for everybody, you've been open for over 60 years.
Yes.
So I'm assuming you're the son in Thrush and Son.
I'm actually the grandson.
The grandson?
I'm the grandson.
You don't get your own letter yet on the logo? We have to do Thrush and Son and grandson.
I know, and when I have a son, it's really going to be confusing.
No, let's talk a little bit about one of your expertise. You mentioned you do a lot in the world of everything related to the home, but roofing is a bread and butter for you.
Yeah.
I got a couple of basic questions about roofing. Okay. So first of all, what's new in the roofing world? Because a lot of us, if we own our home, we have a roof. Yeah. But we may not know, maybe we got our house 20, 30 years ago. What do we need to know about what's new in roofs? Are there new and better roofs than there were before? Are there upgrades to the old styles? Is it kind of the same? What do we need to know here?
There is definitely great roofing products, and like anything, it keeps evolving. And for instance, our GAF shingles that we use, because we are a GAF Master Elite Certified President's Contractor, President's Club, they actually introduced a couple years back the DuraGrip technology. And to, talk about this, we had the Brookville tornado, the Dayton tornado. We had a house.
The Memorial Day
tornado. There we go. We had a house that we had just put a new roof on the year before, and it took out the entire garage. Not one shingle was missing.
So the new technology definitely can be a powerful tool. So other questions about roofing. Maybe there's a basic ones that other homeowners know and I just don't, but I'm going to ask anyways.
You're fine.
How long does a roof last? Do I need to replace it is it 5 years, 20 years, never?
No, typically, what I like to say is it comes with a lifetime warranty. But like with us, one of the warranties we offer is the Golden Pledge warranty. That comes standard with every roof that we install. With that, it's actually a 25-year warranty on the labor and the material.
Okay.
And so if there's ever a problem with that warranty, you have a labor warranty for 25 years.
It goes a long way.
Yeah, but typically a roof, you're looking at 25 to 30 years.
Now, when we talk about roofs, we often hear after maybe a severe thunderstorm or if there was a tornado in the area, maybe your neighborhood or home wasn't explicitly damaged, but we often hear reports by some of our actual fellow folks here at the news station, hey, go check your roof just to make sure there's nothing out of place. Is that something we recommend an individual do? Do we call a company like yours to do that? Can an individual do that?
Well, there's certain things that a homeowner can do to help, speed up the process. For instance, I don't recommend getting on your roof. I don't care if it's a 412 or a 1212, just stay off, leave it to the professionals. But if you did experience hail, for instance, you can walk around and look at the trees. Look how many leaves are on the ground. That's a telltale sign. Look at your gutters. If you have a patio cover, if you see the little dents within, that's hail damage. So there are things that you can look for. Obviously, if you have a tree branch going through your roof, you need to call a professional.
The joke I've been circling in my mind all day is if you get on the roof yourself, it's going to be a bit rough on the roof. I'm still workshopping this joke. Don't make fun of me
No,
yet.
no, I like it.
You're going to have to throw in one of your commercials one of these days.
One of these days, yeah.
We're just about out of time. If anybody wants to get in touch with your team to learn more about your roofing process, the website is online on the screen right now.
Yes.
What's the phone number?
The phone number is 888-349. That reaches all 5 of our great locations, Dayton, Troy, Lebanon, Urbana, and Lima. Check us on the web at thrushandson.com. There's multiple ways to get a hold of us.
My man Corey, it was a pleasure to see you once again. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Of course.
Man. Thank you.